This is the fourth and final exercise routine of the foundational core movements. In this program, you'll be advancing all of the movements, you'll be improving your endurance for your abdominals, and really training on how to maintain your coordination. All of these skills are going to be necessary to safely move on to the more advanced portion of this program, where you'll really be learning how to fire those abdominals. All right, this is level 4 of the foundations of your core, and in this routine we are making everything a little bit harder, holding things a little bit longer, increasing the intensity just a little bit so we can prepare you for that next step of your abdominal exercise routine. So and we're going to come up to the 3-month position. So both arms and legs are going to be lifted, and you're going to be holding this position. As you're resting here, make sure that you're keeping all the things in mind that you need. Relaxed neck, keeping the ribs down, pressure in your stomach. We don't want the arms reaching away. We want the arms relaxed to the floor. We want your legs loose, elbows loose, hands loose. And in this position here, we're going to challenge our core by introducing movement in different planes, so different directions of movement. So we're going to start by arms coming over the head and right back up to the ceiling. And again, over the head, right back to the ceiling. Over the head, right back to the ceiling. And keep this up. Don't let the legs drop. Keeping the ribs down, keeping the pressure. Over the head, right back up. Now that they're back up to the ceiling, we're going to start to roll. So let's roll to the side. Holding, holding, keeping the ribs down, pressure in the stomach, onto your back. Roll to the other side. Keep the pressure. Onto your back. Roll the other direction. Really good. Onto your back. And again, other side. Holding. Don't let your ribs flare. Onto your back. And go right into the arms over the head. Right back to the ceiling. Over your head, right back to the ceiling. Good. Over your head. Very good job. Keep going. Over your head. To the ceiling. Over your head. Really good job. Keep the arms to the ceiling and roll. Roll to the side. Really nice job keeping those ribs down. controlling your movement from your middle, not from the sides, not from your legs, not from your arms, not from your head. Onto your back, roll to the other side. Really nice. Don't let your back arch. Onto your back and to the side. Really good. Onto your back, to the side. Onto your back, to the side. Back. Keep those necks relaxed. Side. Back. And now arms overhead. Really good. Making this coordination, giving it endurance, making it be able to hold you, keeping all the pieces together. Watch those ribs, don't let them come up. Really nice job, everyone. It's not easy. It's not easy. Very good. And now hands to the ceiling and roll to the side. Good. And onto your back and roll to the side, other side, and onto your back. We're going to make these a little bit harder. I'm going to have you lift your heads. Think about long neck, tilting the nose down, and roll to the side. Really nice job. It's very challenging for that whole spine to be held in control. Onto your back, onto your side. Keep the head up. Try not to cheat. It's really hard. I see lots of wiggling, and that's okay. Wiggling is okay. Onto your back, keep your head up. Roll to the other side. Onto your back. Really nice job. Keep your head up. Arms over your head. Right back to the ceiling. Very nice job. Onto your back. Right back to the ceiling with those arms. One more time. Over your head. Right back to the ceiling. Release your head. Relax your arms, but keep them pointing to the ceiling. We'll give yourself a sort of a break right here, but still hold this position. Now, from this position, we're going to do tin soldier, but instead of doing it all on one side, we're going to alternate back and forth. So we'll start with one side, lifting arm and leg up, turning the palm as you go, bring it back to start, and then lift the other side. Back to start. First side, really good. Back to start. Really nice job. Again, we want to make sure the ribs stay down, pressure stays in the stomach, turning the palms up as you move your hand up. Right back to the start. Keep going. Keep the pressure. Keep the pressure. Really nice job. Keep moving. Good. Ribs stay down. It's really hard. Keep the stomach pushed. Don't draw it in. Really nice job. Now for the last few, You should feel your stomach expanding in between your thighs. Now keep the pressure in your stomach, ribs down. You're going to release your feet to keep your hands and feet where they are. Hold. Hold. Keep holding. Now grab the bottom of your feet again. And again, hold everything where it is. Release your feet. Keep your hands and feet where they are. Hold it. Feel the shaking. It's okay. Shoulders relaxed. Grab the feet. One last time. Release the hands. Release the feet. Keep them right where they are. Hold it, breathing into the stomach. Really nice job. Maintain the pressure. It's really going to keep you from wiggling onto your back. One last time each side. Roll. Very good. Onto your back. Roll. Last time. And onto your back. And relax. And lift. Reaching between the knees, past the ankles, trying to get all of your weight on just a few vertebrae in your spine. And release. And pressure, lift. All the way up. And release. Pressure, lift. Release. Pressure, lift. Shoulders away from the ears. Release. 3 more times. Pressure, lift. Release. 2 more. Pressure, lift. Release. Last one. Create that pressure, lift. Hold. Breathe into the stomach. Keep the nose down. Shoulders away from the ears. And release. And relax. All right, great job. So that's it. That's the end of level 4. By this time, you should really be feeling a good burn in your stomach when you do this exercise routine. You should do it at least 3 times a week until you keep all of those same things happening without ever thinking about them. Back should stay on the table, ribs should stay down, pressure in your stomach instead of pulling in. You do that, you're going to be well on your way to having a great foundation to build those killer abs.